Hi guys, another bunch of new stuff to show you. So from ICM, this is a continuation of their series of their 48 scale drones. This is to do more with the fact that they're doing a drone controller in a A26, B26 Invader. So they've released all these kits separately because you can hang them off other aircraft like Lancasters and Hercules and all sorts of things. So this is the continuation of that series. There's two of them. This one comes with a handling dolly and all the rest of it. This one has got just the standard kit in it. So you've got a choice of the one with the dolly and one with not. I've built these now. These are so nice. They're so simple, very straightforward, great little kits. I'm probably going to do quite a few of them because I want to do some other drone aircraft or drone carrying aircraft. So if you're looking to do that, grab a bunch of these. These are so nice, very well done. Now for World War II mostly and Vietnam era sort of stuff, this is a weapon set that they've released. It's actually in part of their other kits, so they've released the set separately. You get various bombs and rockets, extended fuse bombs, Mark 82s, MERS and TERS. It's just basically the weapon set out of their kit. So if you want to add it to other kits, then great little setup to do. Very simple to build, very nice to build. So that's pretty cool. Now, I'm not a figure model, as anybody may know, but these are absolutely superb. This is the US helicopter pilots, 1/32 scale, to go with their Cobras and all the rest of it. There's three figures in the set. The detail and the work on the models is just lovely. It's just so nice. You get a pilot, crewman and a groundie in it, so that you can do all that sort of stuff. But the pose is very good. They come in the different uniforms. This one's got the full Nomex suit. This one's got the part Nomex, part jacket suit, and then this guy's just got normal fatigues. The fit on them is really good. I've put all three of these together, just going to be ready for painting. I'm going to do the basic painting and I'm going to get my partner to do the faces and everything else because I ain't doing them and I'm no good at it. But they come with helmets and they come with all sorts of bits and pieces. If you're looking to add to Hueys and all sorts of things, they're just brilliant. The hats are separate, so you can do them with the cap or with the cavalry hat. I did read somewhere that they rarely wore the cavalry hat in combat zones, but if you want to put them on, go for it. It's 7th Cav stuff. Go from there. In armour wise, from them, we've got the SDKFZ 247. Yeah, 247. This is a command reconnaissance type vehicle, armoured car. If you've built their other ones, you know what to expect. The kits themselves go together very well. The couple of reviews I've read have been quite happy with them, so if you're looking to add to your armour collections, that's pretty cool. Also in armour, this is one of the new genres that model companies are starting to really discover and get into. This is the G7107 World War II Army truck. This is the 6-wheel one, so it's 4 on the back, 2 on the front. I believe they're doing other versions, so you'll get them in all sorts of stuff. I believe the Soviets had them, so I think there's a Soviet version of it coming out with figures. This is also going to be released with figures as well. 35th scale. It adds to the whole collection if you want to do a whole convoy of them, like the Fireball Run or Cannonball Run or whatever it was that they had. But these are finally, with the modelers are getting the auxiliary vehicles and that to go with their dioramas or modelling and things like that. So that's pretty cool. This is one of their multi-packs. This is their Leyland, but you get all three versions now. You get the, I think it's a GS, a covered one, and the non-cabin one, so you get all the different versions in there. It's all in one box. It works out a bit cheaper if you're buying all three instead of one at a time. The kits themselves, I've read a bit about them, a couple of notes about them, that there's a few little odd bits and pieces, but the realities are by the time you make them up, they're still going to look like very nice British or Army truck or US Army trucks. So as I said, if you want to save a bit of money, buy all three at the same time. That's pretty cool. And As I said to you before, we've got the figures for the helicopters. Well, this is the second version from ICM of the 32nd scale Huey Cobra. Late production version. The other one was the early one. I believe the reason is that the tails changed over. The rotor tail went from one side to the other for aerodynamic purposes. But these are really, really nice. They're in 32nd scale, so it's going to be interesting to see if they upscale it or downscale it to 35th scale, because they now decided they're going to do some of their other helicopters in 35th. So they may re-release this again or do this again in 35th scale. So again, but if you're looking for 32nd scale helicopters, and these have been very, very popular, grab this one. Nice kit. It's ICM and I like them a lot at the moment. So looking forward to the new stuff. So yeah, so there you go. As I said before, the Beaufort is been held over. Probably won't be out till about February, I think it is. So have a great day. Talk to you soon. Have a good one. Bye.